Yo guys, it's your boy McFinance and welcome to yet again another weekly market forecast or weekly market overview. So in today's video guys, we'll be looking at US30, Nasdaq and as well as GER30, and we'll see if we can add DXY. But yeah, so before we get into the video guys, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell to get notified next time I drop. So guys, we have US30 right here with us. So we're on the daily time frame, as you can see, right? See that we have this level as our resistance level, right? So you can see that the market did reject there. So if you can come this side, you can see it also rejected right here. So we might be looking to have a pullback, a little pullback, maybe around this level till this level right here. Yeah, so let me just show you guys with the arrow. So if you can have something like this, come back right there and then continue to the upside, it's showing us. So we're gonna go over to a 4-hour time frame. Let me just do that. Yeah, so guys, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have something like a uptrend, right? So if I can use my trend line tool over here, you can see that we have something like this, right? Something like that. So basically here guys, we have the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, then the market broke, came on over to this sensitive level. So it does give us another confirmation that we might be looking for what? For sellers, short-term sellers, right? Because overall we're looking to buy the market, but we're looking for overall buyers. But right now it looks like we might have some short-term sellers, as you have seen that we have went out of this structure right here, and we did come back for a retested this level and also retested this trend line. So yeah, on US30 we might be looking for sells. So let's get over to Nasdaq. So guys, over here you can see that we have Nasdaq with us. So firstly, we have this structure right here, this downward trend, right? If I can just place it like this, yeah. So we have this downward. Okay, wait, let me just do that. Sorry about that guys. So yeah, as you can see, we have first touch, second touch, third touch, then broke, gave us a correction. Now we're looking to go to the upside. So our overall TP guys, you know, our overall TP is to come right here, right? But we have to go over to the lower time frame because we might have some small pullbacks, right? Or some small short-term sellers, and then go back to the upside, right? So also guys, I can see that this was also a resistance level, right? Let me just place it nicely over here. Okay, yeah, so you can see that here we were rejecting a lot, then went up. This can be seen as a retest, then now we can continue to the upside. But I'm gonna go over to a daily time frame or a 4-hour time frame to see what the market is actually giving us, you know. So guys, on the daily time frame, I can see that we have a pattern, but it's not clear on the daily time frame. So I'm gonna go over to the 4-hour time frame to just show you guys what I am seeing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, so guys, what I'm seeing is right here, if we can take our trend line tool, so this is the first touch, then this is our second touch, and you can see right here we are making our third touch over here on this level right here. And then we can also have this right here as our first touch, and then this as our second touch. And then you can see that this, we can see it as like an impulse, then a deeper correction, then an impulse to the upside, right? So what I would look for is something like this. Wait, let me just do this quickly. Okay, so what I would look for guys is I'd look for an impulse, then a correction, and after that I'd look for a continuation to the upside, right? Or I would look for a downward move, then a correction, right? and then take my positions to go to the downside, maybe around this level right here, right? So this is how I would place my positions. So right here, I sell entry, then our stop loss would be roughly around this area, and then I'll take profit right about this area. Actually this is too big, guys. Look, I'll place it over here, and then this I'll place it right here. A nice 4.5, I mean 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, 1:5 risk to reward ratio. That's amazing, it's not bad. And then if we were to take buys, I'll place my positions right here, and then my stop loss just below that, depending on the candlesticks that it gives us, but yeah, maybe somewhere around that area. And then, you know, guys, like our yeah, our overall target is to come all the way right here, 1:9 risk to reward ratio, and that is amazing, guys. So we'll wait for continuation patterns. It's either we are waiting for a selling continuation pattern or a buying continuation pattern, and then we'll get our entries over there. So if you want to see the trades that I take throughout the week, just make sure to join the link in the description, our Telegram public group. So there I send setups, guys, and I show you guys how I enter my trades. But yeah, this is it for Nasdaq. Let's move over to GER30. So guys, I decided to analyze the XY for you guys. So basically what I'm seeing is that we have this pattern right here, right? Let me just do that. Okay, yeah. So basically this is our first touch right here, and then this is our second touch. So we're looking to make a third touch over here, and then if you can place our support trend line like that, and then take things like this. Okay, this will be as our first touch and then our second touch. So this means this is a valid structure for buys, but we're gonna dive lower onto a 4-hour time frame and just see what the market is printing, right? So yeah, if you can see, guys, this was an impulse, then a correction over here, impulse, correction, impulse. Actually, let me dive lower onto a 1-hour time frame, guys, so that you can see it clearly, right? Do something like that. Oh yeah, so yeah, guys, what I was saying is you can see that here we have an impulse, then a correction, then an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, then a deeper correction, then an impulse. So now we are expecting a much deeper correction, then continue to the upside, right? So if we can have a correction on the 1-hour time frame, then that's when we can place our buys once it breaks our structure, and then yeah, looking for more buying opportunities. So yeah, going over to GER30. On GER30, you can see that we did have a structure over here with the first touch, second touch, third touch, then went to the upside. And over here we had our first touch, second touch, looking to make a third touch over there, right? So last week, guys, we did have this pattern, and I think the market was around this level. So I did place my buys. Let me just go to a 4-hour time frame and show you guys what happened. I did have my buys over here. We went up, then I locked my profits somewhere around this area, and then the market came down, hit my stop losses, actually hit my trade stop, right? And then gave us a double bottom. When it gave us the double bottom, I wasn't active in the markets, and then it shot to the upside, came over to our 90% rule. And you can see, guys, this was sensitive levels. This was a sensitive level, this was a sensitive level, and this was a beautiful correction structure, right? So this was a first touch, second touch, break, came back for a retest. But this really happens when the market comes back again for a double bottom. But this was a valid buying structure. Then we went to the upside. So for now, guys, I'm just gonna look for a correction, right? Something like this. Wait, so I'm just gonna look for something like this. Let me just do that. Yeah, if we can have something like that, then continue to the upside and make our third touch on the resistant trend line, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for the weekly market overview. If you want to use the broker that I use, make sure to click the link in the description and join our public Telegram group. If you want to see my trades, the trades that I take, make sure to click the link in the description. And as always, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.